So, just looking at today's mental maths, there were three fraction questions. So the first one we'll look at is question 9, which is addition of fractions. Now, when you're adding or subtracting fractions, like we've said all year, you must have a common denominator or the same bottom number. Once you have the same common denominator, it's pretty straightforward. So in question 9 is actually quite straightforward because we have a common denominator. So simply 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 2/3. Straightforward enough. Now, if we go on to question 25, we have another addition question, but this time we don't have a common denominator. Okay, we have 8ths and 4ths as our denominator. Now, what you do if you don't have a common denominator, count up in 8ths. So 8, 16, 24. You won't need to go that far. Count up in 4s. 4, 8, 12. The lowest common denominator on both is 8. Okay, so if this guy is already 1/8, so we keep him as 8, so 1/8, that'll stay as 1/8. This guy, okay, a quarter. So to go from 4 to 8, we multiply that by 2, so you must do the same thing on top. So that's the same as 2/8. So now once we have a common denominator, 1/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 3/8. Okay, and if we look at question 6 is a little different. It's a multiplication of fractions. Now, multiplications of fractions, you do not need a common denominator. You can simply go straight ahead and multiply them. So what you do is you multiply top by top, bottom by bottom. So 2 by 10, we all know, is 20. And 5 by 15 is, anybody? 75. So that's fine. You can leave it like that. That's right. But really in 6th class, we should be simplifying. Okay, so what goes into both 20 and 75? Well, straight away we'd know that 5 would. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 75 divided by 5 is 1. Remainder 2 is 15. So our answer will be 4/15 simplified.